Richard Branson and 5 others are gonna go to a place where no other billionaire has ever went. Space. Branson, with a net worth of $6 billion, is gonna beat Jeff Bezos in the race of going into space by 9 days and becoming the first ever billionaire to go into the space. Branson and his team has 2 pilots and 3 mission specialists and will fly in VSS Unity or SpaceShipTwo. Many big names like Justin Bieber, Lady Gaga, Tom Hanks have applied to fly in the seat beside Branson. Branson's carbon composite VSS Unity will fly with the White Knight 2, or say the mothership, till 9 miles above the Earth's surface and gets detached. Then Branson ignites the SpaceShipTwo. The rocket engines power a near vertical climb at speed of Mach 3.5. SpaceShipTwo is gonna climb up to 50 miles above the Earth's surface, where passengers experience weightlessness, see the Earth from portholes, and the point considered by NASA to be the end of Earth's atmosphere. Then wings get pivoted to a feathered re-entry configuration. That is, one of the twin wings gets separated and make an angle of 90 degrees with normal wings. It continues like that till 9 miles above the Earth's surface, and after that wings defeather and then comes to normal position and lands in New Mexico. By the way, if the weather is good and conditions are favorable, then the launch will be at 7 am on 11th July in New Mexico, which is 9 am in the US East Coast and 2 pm in UK. The whole journey is planned to take less than 2 hours. 2 more additional test flights are planned before Virgin Galactic starts commercial services in 2022. By 2023, the company could be running 100 flights a year. But to reach this point, Virgin Galactic has faced many problems and tragedies. Branson thought to fly into space by 2007 and 2008, but it delayed by 13 years as it was pushed frequently. In 2007, 3 workers died in an explosion during a test of a rocket propulsion system. 7 years later, a pilot died in the crash during a test flight. However, this time, Virgin Galactic's engineers appear to have ironed out the technical problems, and Branson has got some wealthy investors on side. Branson has also floated Virgin Galactic shares in New York Stock Exchange. The commercial ticket prices to space are likely gonna be between $300,000 and $400,000. So that's all for this video, guys. Meet you in the next video. But before going, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't done yet.